Hi, I'm John Gunn with Worldwide Electric. Today I'm in our 42,000 square foot UL 508 manufacturing facility. One thing I really wanted to share today, I know we talk about the quality of the build, the enclosures, line reactors, breakers, but all that doesn't come together until you get it at your door. So one thing that we take a lot of pride in is after all the manufacturing process is done, we've cut all the holes, we've got all the wire, we've got everything done the way it's supposed to be done. The job's not over till you actually receive it at your door. So one thing we take a lot of pride in at Worldwide Electric is once we finish building your custom control panel, every unit has an enclosure built around your enclosure, so to speak. Now, as you can see, this thing is built very robustly. So one thing that we wanted to do is actually take time. So when you got it and need to get this enclosure out, we simply put screws in here. So you can unscrew it, take your top braces off. At the bottom, we have screws as well, so we can unscrew the four corners and lift the enclosure off. You can see a couple examples here. This is a smaller enclosure versus a larger 75 or 100. You can see we put peepholes through it, so once your shipping and receiving department gets it, they can simply peek in and make sure that no damage has been done. Again, you can see how robust this unit is. You can't tip it, you can't push it. So one thing we're really happy is that every time you place an order with Worldwide Electric, not only the care and construction you're getting in our facility, but we're making sure we're putting the care in the packaging so it shows up to your facility on time and not damaged. If you have any questions, please call Worldwide Electric at 1-800-808-2131, and one of our representatives will be happy to help you. And have a great day.